Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can zoom in or out in Google Sheets. The first way to do this is to use the browser zoom in feature by clicking on these three dots at the top left hand corner of the screen. Then you locate and click on the zoom option. You can either zoom in by increasing or clicking on this plus sign, or you zoom out by clicking on the minus sign. Another way to use the zoom in feature is to use the Google Sheets itself. You click on the zoom percentage bar at the top of the screen here. You click on the arrow, then you select whatever zoom you want. You could either zoom in to increase it, or you zoom out to decrease it. So that's it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more video content. Bye guys.